Welcome to Sigma Machine. Established in 1955, we're family-owned and have been growing ever since. Our can-do attitude, Midwestern work ethic, innovative thinking, and production capabilities are at the core of our success. As a Tier 1 supplier in the electric vehicle industry, Sigma supplies machine components to Proterra, Lucid, Faraday Future, and other major EV manufacturers. Sigma Machine also services aviation and food processing manufacturing markets. We take pride in our unparalleled ability to provide quick-turn prototype and production runs. World-class quality with excellent, approachable, and easygoing customer service. With extensive experience working with plastic, bronze, and exotic alloys, we specialize in stainless steel and aluminum prototype and production parts, utilizing multi-spindle, multi-axis machines. With a staff of over 100 experienced engineers and employees, we're passionate about our work. From prototyping, in-house fixturing, assembly, packaging, and fulfillment. If you can imagine it, Sigma Machine can design it. Our research and design team provides design, DFM study, CAD design assistance, CMM probe digitizing, simulation, and 3D modeling. Our quality control is world-class. In 2015, for example, Sigma Machine achieved a failure rate of 9.8 parts per million. Through continuous process improvements, in 2017, we achieved 1.98 parts per million. Our state-of-the-art CMM capabilities, vision systems, high pot and leak testing ensure that our in-house systems meet Tier 1 requirements and exceed the expectations of our customers. Our facility is 5S, extremely well organized, clean, bright, efficient, and environmentally savvy. Our innovative recycling strategies, minimal waste, and zero emissions make Sigma Machine an eco-friendly place to do business. Innovative, resourceful, versatile, experienced. Sigma Machine since 1955.